Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about concept of feminism in human geography. This is an important topic in our UGC NET examination, paper 2 geography. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel and let's start the class. First of all, what is feminism? Definition: feminism is a range of social, political, economic and cultural movements and ideologies that share a common goal to define, establish and achieve equal social, economic, cultural, personal and political rights for women. Okay, there are some concepts: gender equality and patriarchy, that means dominance by men and of domination of men. Social justice. Etymology: the term feminism is derived from the French word feminism, coined by utopian socialist Charles Fourier, 1837. First used in English around 1890s. Many Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Women, 1792, is considered a foundational feminist text. Okay, this is important. A Vindication of Rights of Women, 1792, is considered as a foundational feminist text. Okay, then there are three waves of feminism. First wave, 1848 to 1920s. Suffrage movement, legal rights for women. Seneca Falls Convention, 1848. Key figures: Susan B. Anthony, Elizabeth Cady Stanton. Focus: right to vote and property rights. Second wave, in 1960s to 1980s, women's liberation movement, reproductive rights, workplace equality and equal pay. Key figures: Betty Friedman, Gloria Steinem. Focus: social and political equality. Then third wave, 1990s to 2000s, intersectionality, Kimberly Crenshaw, embracing diversity and individual identity, challenging beauty standards. Key figures: Judith Butler, Bell Hooks. Focus: inclusivity and postmodern feminism. Okay, these are three basic waves of feminism. Then fourth wave and feminist geography. Fourth wave feminism, 2020 to 12 and present. Me Too movement in 2017, online and social media activism, body positivity and gender identity, intersectionality dependent, Times Up campaign, focus on sexual harassment and assault, LGBTQ plus inclusion. Okay, feminist geography emerged 1970s and 1980s. Integrates feminist theory in geography, questions gender blind approaches, focuses on gendered spaces and places, challenges male dominated research. Key: Dorian Massey, Linda McDowell, examines home, work, public space, uses qualitative participatory methods. Okay, types, schools of feminist thought. Liberal feminism, that means equal rights within existing social structure. Focus on legal reforms, education, voting. J.S. Mill and Betty Friedman are some prominent proprietor of this concept, prominent scholar of this concept. Then radical feminism, that means patriarchy is the root of women's oppression, seeks to dismantle patriarchal structure. Kate Millett and Dira Dworkin. Socialist and Marxist feminism links capitalism and patriarchy as dual system of oppression. Engels, Clara Zetkin. Postmodern feminism deconstructs fixed gender identities, no single experience of womanhood. Judith Butler and Derrida. Ecofeminism, that means links exploitation of women with exploitation of nature. Environmental feminism, also known as environmental feminism, and it was given by Bandana Shiva. Intersectional feminism, multiple identities like race, class and gender create overlapping systems of discrimination. Okay, it was provided by Kimberly Crenshaw. Okay, feminist geography key concept: gendered space, that means public versus private spaces are gendered. Women historically confined to private domestic sphere, men to public, example women's exclusion from certain spaces. Positionality, researcher's identity, gender, race, class shapes knowledge production. Feminist geography emphasizes situated knowledge, Donna Haraway. Body as a space, the body itself as a geographic space, site of control, surveillance and resistance. Feminist geographers analyze bodily experiences. Gender and scale, gender operates at multiple geographic scales: household, community, national, global. Scale itself is a social construct. Mobility and gender. Women face greater restriction in mobility due to safety concerns, cultural norms, access to transport is a feminist geographical concern. Intersectionality in space, race, class, gender, sexuality intersect to space spatial experiences differently for different women. Now, key feminist geographers and their theorists. Doreen Macy. Geographer who argued that space and place are socially constructed. She showed how spatial division of labor are gendered. Author of Space, Place and Gender in 1994. Linda McDowell. She was a pioneer feminist economic geography, focused on gender and labor markets. Author of Gender, Identity and Place in 1999. Gillian Rose critiqued masculinist approaches in geography, introduced concept of paradoxical space beyond binary. Author of Feminism and Geography in 1993. Judith Butler, philosopher who developed gender performativity theory, gender as performance, not biology. Challenged binary gender, author of Gender Trouble in 1990. Kimberly Crenshaw developed intersectionality, how race, gender, class overlap to create unique modes of discrimination in space. Vandana Shiva, ecofeminist philosopher from India, links exploitation of nature with patriarchy. Civco Movement Association, author of Staying Alive 1988. Feminism, spatial analysis in geography. How feminism reshapes geography. Questions: who produce geographic knowledge? Challenges: universalist and positivist approaches. Emphasizes on local embodied lived experience. Incorporates qualitative methods, interviews and ethnography. Examines gender division of space. Links personal experience to broader spatial patterns. Situates knowledge from somewhere, not nowhere. Key application areas: urban planning, safe city design for women, labor geography, gendered work and migration, health geography, reproductive rights and access, development geography, gender and poverty, political geography, women's representation, rural geography, women's land rights in India, transport geography, mobility, inequality. Okay, feminism in India and geography, colonial era, pre-1947, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Sati abolition, 1829, Savitribai Phule, women's education, women's India Association in 1917. Post-independence, 1947 to 1970s, Constitution, equal rights, Article 14, 15 and 16, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Maternity Benefit Act 1961. Contemporary 1980s to present, Civco Movement, Ecofeminist, Anti-Rape Protest, Nivea 2012, Me Too India, POSCO Act 2013. Key Indian feminist scholars: Kumkum Sangari, Susei Tharu, Uma Chakraborty and Vandana Shiva. Okay, these are some UGC NET exam focus points. Question: wave that introduced intersectionality, that is third wave, Kimberly Crenshaw. Who wrote Feminism and Geography? Gillian Rose, 1993. Feminist positionality concept, instituted knowledge, Donna Haraway. Civco Movement linked to ecofeminism, Vandana Shiva. Gender Trouble, 1990, author Judith Butler. Key terms to remember: patriarchy, male-dominated social system, intersectionality, overlapping identities, positionality, a researcher's standpoint, gender space, spaces, gender dimension, gender performativity, Butler's concept, situated knowledge, Haraway's standpoint, paradoxical space, Rose feminist space, spatial division of labor, Macy's concept, ecofeminism, nature woman, linkage. Okay, summary: feminism means movement for gender equality with four waves: suffrage, liberation, intersectionality, and digital. Feminist geography, 1970s to 1980s, challenges male-dominated positivist approaches in geography. Key concept: gender space, positionality, intersectionality, body as space, and mobility. Major theorists: Dorian Macy, Gillian Rose, Linda McDowell, Judith Butler, and Vandana Shiva. In India, colonial roots, constitutional rights, contemporary movements, Civco and Me Too. UGC NET focus: types of feminism, key books, wave contributions, and theories, concept mapping. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.